what's up? So, where should the content creator focus? On subscribers count? Or in content creation? Intro please. Watch this. Where should a content creator focus? Making contents or increasing subscribers count? The answer for that is content creation. Because if you create high quality engaging videos, the subscriber count will naturally follow as a byproduct. Which means you should create contents consistently in order to attract followers or subscribers. What should you do? Create clear and high quality thumbnails, engaging titles, and descriptions of video, and use SEO tags. Therefore, you must avoid sub per sub because it will just ruin your algorithm or channel. Bye and please subscribe. Thank you.